branch on me, keep that record on xoxo flexing. I remember back in the day, that's all I swear I did how nothing. And it used to be, and then one day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, in my bed. Welcome to my bed. Oh no, that sounds so weird. No, scratch that. Scratch that. That came out so weird. No, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something different. Today I'm going to be doing my first vlog. Okay, enough. I'm going to be doing my first vlog. So today's Saturday and I'm not going to work today, so I'm just going to be doing my normal cleaning, and I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna be running some errands, and I thought, why not bring you guys with me? And yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys around Coventry today. I live in Coventry, which is in the UK, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit around the city. And later on in the day I'm gonna go out to dinner with my sister. We're gonna have Chinese. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to that as well. And that's it basically. I hope you guys enjoy this style, like this video style. Okay, first of all, this is hard because this camera is so heavy. I don't have a proper vlogging camera yet, so this camera, like I have the Canon 750D, which is like, it's heavy and my hand is already hurting, so I gotta go. I got to go. Alright then. I'll see you guys later. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. Hit the notification bell. My subscriber count is going up, you know, slowly but surely, and I thank you guys so much. So thank you. But don't forget to click the subscribe button if this is your first time on the channel. I'm gonna be doing more of this, so if you guys like this video, this type of video, this, like, you know, vlogging style, thumbs up and thank you. I'll see you guys later. Say hi.
You can't do that.
What was that face?
Sorry, no pictures. In my sign.
You actually look pretty though.
Oh my god, what?
Because the settings. You don't have to feel yourself, it's the settings, it's not you.
Whatever.
That's the whole country. We have the cool party, yeah. But we try to come in, yeah. It's actually not that bad, it's got it. We have the cool party in the club, I know, right? Jump in disco, wanna go see. I'm gonna branch on me, keep that record on xoxo flexing. I remember back in the day, that's all I swear I did how nothing. And it used to be, and then one day, I'm betting. Also got Armani, Nissan like and I'm G-Shock flexing. I remember back in the day at school, I swear I didn't have nothing. And I used to play Eminem on a daily basis to have my suffering. Now I rap on the beat too slim, but it's not shady, that is not broken. And I'm putting the beats on YouTube there like when is the next one dropping. TGB music with music section, I play my own drum, I don't need no entrance. Last of the race, first of the exit. I'm a turtle with a turbo invention. Never came out, never spoke to the game. When I come out, gonna go up in flames. Yo, it's CJ, never heard of my name, but I bet you do know when it's time to get paid. Thought I'd do a rap and then switch up a chain, cause you know I got a flow that is insane. Might come back and I take your game. Like J1 now, but I'm joking. They wanna know now, gonna leave one open. Need to let it go, gonna put them on frozen. Can actually it's another diversion. Say you know me, but you don't know me in person.
You are the most high God.